Okay, let's start. Good morning, everyone. Today, our group 3 will present our data analysis with R and Python. My name is Raina, fairuz. These are the members: Yamone, uh, Yosefhine, Elka Nelly, dizy, faiz, and Ellfandra. This project was divided into two parts. Part 1 used Python and R to clean and prepare the dataset, and Part 2 used to analyze the financial performance. The purpose of Part 1 is to clean and analyze financial data using Python and R. Python is used to prepare accurate data, and R is used to calculate profit and analyze financial performance. So the result can support better business understanding. The purpose of part 2 is to understand the dataset and evaluate its quality, and this part we explain each variable, explore the data structure, and check for missing values and outliers to ensure the data is accurate and meaningful for business interpretation by using our programming.
So for the part one and part two, first we downloaded the raw financial data, and then in Python we use Python, and then we first check the data set structure and deleted the rows where unit sold was empty or equal to zero. And then for rows like where sale price was zero, and we replace with the values based on each product category to make the data realistic. And after that, like we continue to part two by using R, where the purpose was to calculate financial values and analyze profit trends.
Okay, and we're going to the next step. In R, we calculate gross sales, and profit, then analyze profit per month, year, product, and country, and display the results using graph. We also filter December 2025 to find the three lowest profit and identified all negative profit transaction, which we saved as financial loss CSV. And from this part, we learn how to clean data, perform financial calculation, and analyze business performance using Python and R. And the part 1 is successfully done.
For part 2, we start by understanding the dataset and its variables. Each transaction is identified by transaction ID, while the transaction dates show when the sale occurred. Branch ID and branch city indicate which store made the transaction, allowing us to evaluate brand performance. Product ID and product category describe the item sold and help analyze product level performance. Unit sold show the quantity parts. Unit price show the price per item, and discount represent the any price reduction. Finally, total sales reflect the final transaction value after discounts. Understanding this variable is important because they support business decisions such as performance evaluation, product management, and pricing strategy.
Step 5, data exploration. After understanding the variables, we explored the dataset using R. We viewed the first 30 rows to see the content and structure of the data. We also used the summary function to see minimum, maximum, and average value of the main numeric variable. From here, we could understand the overall scale of sales, price range, and transaction behavior.
Okay, for the last part, data quality check. Next, we check the data quality. First, we confirm that there were no missing values, meaning that dataset is complete and reliable. Then we use box plot to check for potential outliers, such as extremely high sales or unusual price. These outliers may affect analysis, but they are important because they represent real business event, such a large purchase.
Okay, that's all our presentation from group 3. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nggak ada minimal